The biggest mistake I see product sellers make is photographing products against a background that doesn't meet marketplace requirements. The second mistake they make is uploading low quality photos on e-commerce platforms and their websites. Every time this happens, your listing gets less visibility. Your phone camera is not the problem. Millions of sellers have a perfectly good phone. The problem is the background. Photoroom solves these problems and gives every business owner 250 free professional product photos every month. Today, I'm showing you what it is, how it works, and how to set it up in under 15 minutes. Let's dive in. So Photoroom is a free AI app that helps you remove photo backgrounds from your product photos. It can also help you add a white background or an AI generated lifestyle scene as a background in your product photos. Now this particular app has 150 million plus downloads. It's one of the most used AI photo apps out there. It can work on any device, even if you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, or if you just want to use it on your browser, it will work on all three type of devices, and you don't need any specific skills to use this app. It's very easy to use and very intuitive. Now, the biggest problem that any e-commerce seller faces is that if the product image or the product photography is not good, the customers will not get attracted and they lose interest in that product. The moment they see a badly photographed product, they will think that, okay, this is not a reliable seller and the quality of the product might not be that good. So the photo makes a huge impact on if your product will get sold or not. So that is where an app like Photoroom comes into picture. Now, what do you need to use Photoroom? Nothing much. You don't need a professional camera also. Your phone is more than enough for this purpose. Anything that you have bought after 2019 is already a very good phone. So all you need to do is make sure that there is natural lighting in the room, place a chart, and in front of that chart you place your product and take a photograph of that product, making sure that the product fills the entire scene. And once you have done that, then we can take that photo to Photoroom and do various things with it. Now these are key features for which you can use this platform for free. The best thing is that the background removal feature, which basically removes any background in 2 to 3 seconds. You can add AI generated backgrounds to your photo images. You can even add shadows so that your product looks natural. If you don't add shadow, it will look like you've actually pasted a product photo on a white background. But if you add a shadow, it gives a depth to that entire scene. So that is why it's important. Now it has a magic retouch feature where if you're holding a product in a photo, you can remove those fingers, or if it is placed on one object and you want to place it on a different background, you can actually do that retouching using the magic retouch features. And you can also upload multiple photos in one go, up to I think 30 photos, and it will process all of them. It will remove the background from all of those photographs, and then you can add background one by one to each one of them. So it's a very convenient tool to use. Now you can resize the images, you can expand the size of the image. So a lot of photo editing features are built into this particular product. And the best part is that this platform allows you to download 250 exports per month. So all of that is for free. You only need a paid account if you want to download more than that, or if you want to use some higher tier features for which you will have to go for a pro plan. But for your basic use, for your everyday e-commerce use, the free plan is more than enough. 250 images are a lot. So that's why I wanted to show you this product first before I show you all the other products that I have. Now let me show you how we use Photoroom to remove background. So this is the first scenario where we will remove background of an image and then we will add a white background to it, because white background is something that is used in e-commerce platforms like Amazon or in India Flipkart. So you can actually use that white background image for these platforms. So let me show you how. So let's go to photoroom.com. You can actually get the link from here also if you don't want to remember the link. It's called photoroom.com. So just go there directly. Once you are on this platform, you can start creating for free, or if you have an account, you can just log in. Creating an account is not difficult. I will show you that process also. You just have to provide your email ID. It will send you a code to your email ID, and then you enter that code to log in. So let's start by clicking here, start creating for free. So once you do that, it will ask you to sign in. So all you need to do is either you use one of these options or you can actually sign in with your personal or work email. So let's click here. I will enter my email ID and create magic code. Now it has sent a code to my email ID. I will have to enter that. So I'm entering that code now. It will ask you some basic questions. You can just select any one of the options that suits you. What type of product you're selling. It can be fashion, food, beverages, toys, or kids products. Select the category and what you will use this product for. Background removal, product images for my shop, advertising content. It will ask you what name should we put for your space. So you can give any name and click continue. It will ask you, do you want to invite somebody? I'm skipping it for now. I'm skipping this also for now. So now here we are on the dashboard of Photoroom. So the most useful feature is the background remover. So let's go there. Now it's asking me to pick an image for which I want to remove the background. So I can actually go to my drive and find the image that I want to edit with Photoroom. Let me select this one. Okay. So now by the time the image loaded, it has already removed the background and replaced it with this transparent background over here. So that's the first thing that we can do with Photoroom. Immediately the background has been removed. Now from here we can add different type of background. So let's use a solid background. We can add a white background by selecting FFF. If you want to add a black background, then you have to go down. So you can move over here to select the color, but mostly you need to use a white background for e-commerce platforms. So we have selected that. Now we can add a shadow also. So we can use this feature, AI shadow, over here, and it gives you multiple options. We can have a soft like this. You can see a soft shadow over here. We can even have a floating shadow like this. So a floating shadow makes your product look like it's floating in the air and then the shadow is under it. I prefer the soft shadow actually for this particular image. So once I'm happy, I can even resize the image from here depending on, do I want it to be a landscape image or a portrait image, and it will basically do the needful. I can reset it, cancel it from here, discard changes. So for the scenario one where we wanted to remove the background and add a white background to the image and add a shadow to it, we have already completed the work. So we can just click on download from here and select the format in which we want to download. It can be JPEG, PNG, WebP. If you're using it on your website, it's good to directly download a WebP image from here. So for now, I'll just download a JPEG and click on download. Now it's asking me where to download it. I'll save it on my desktop. So that is how easy it was. It's very intuitive as a platform and very easy to use. Let's go back to the dashboard. Now the second workflow that we will look at is to add an AI generated background to your product image. This is useful when you want to create lifestyle images, especially for your website or places like Instagram. So let's try this using Photoroom. So we can directly start from a photo, just select this. I'll select the same photo of my product. It has uploaded the photo here. Now in backgrounds, we have this option called AI background. So let's select that. Now you have two options here. You can actually select some of the pre-created backgrounds from here, like this one, light wood countertop. If I select this, it will automatically add this as the background for my image. So this looks natural. My product is on top of a table. You can see, since the product is a notebook, there are pens around it. So that's how useful this particular feature is. And if I'm happy with this, I can download it from here. I can also create a background by coming over here, and I can type something over here based on what kind of a background I'm looking for. So I can have on a light wood pool table. Let's see what changes it does. Now it has generated a new image like this. We can have other options also. So maybe I can select this one and type a prompt over here. Or if I want, I can even have assisted ones. So if you select assisted from here, you can just keep on selecting these options. A rustic wooden table with a brick wall, generate image. Now you see, this is a completely different kind of an image. So in the first image, we had a white background that we were able to make with this tool. In the second image, we were able to place the product on a table. In this third image, you can see the product is standing on top of a table with a brick background. So it is using AI to generate all these backgrounds for you, and it is actually looking very good. It's actually looking natural. It doesn't look like we have pasted the product photo on top of another image. So that's how powerful this tool is. So I can just download this from here and save it. So that's how amazing this product is. I'm sure once you start playing with this particular platform, you will find so many more use cases where you can use this product for your own website or your own e-commerce platform. You can even retouch and enhance the quality of the image that you have created. You can do batch editing of product images in one go. So these are all the features of this platform. You also have an option to export the images in different resolutions depending on what kind of a platform you are downloading it for. So if you're downloading it for Meesho, you need a 1000 by 1000 pixel image with white background in JPEG format. Same way for Flipkart, the resolution is different, the type of background is different. For Instagram or for stories or even for your website, you can actually have lifestyle images that we generated in the second scenario. So depending on what kind of platform you are generating the image for, you can choose while downloading the image. The best part is that unlike other platforms where you can see that this looks like an image of this particular product pasted on a background which is completely different image. You can see these rough edges. You can clearly see it looks like a sticker on top of the background, whereas here it is very smooth. So it's all done by using AI, which this platform is doing. So that's how good this platform is. Now the free plan of this tool allows you to download 250 background removed images, but if you try to use the AI background generators, then I think you can download maybe 4 or 5 images at max if you're generating background using AI. The Pro plan actually has a lot of AI features and it expands the functionality of this platform. So I would suggest you try the free plan, modify some of your images, and then once you are happy, you can actually go for the Pro plan, which is 625 rupees per month, which is still very cheap as compared to hiring a professional photographer or an external agency for preparing images for your website. So that's Photoroom. And you should feel good about watching this far, because most sellers never take this step. Go take 5 product photos right now, edit them in Photoroom and post them. That's your homework. The complete step-by-step guide and my presentation slides are in the description. Download them. In the next video, I will cover Pixelcut, another incredible free tool with some unique features your competitors aren't using yet. I'm Mandeep Singh Josan from Inspire Pixels. See you in the next one.